Okay, we're gonna set this for
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
We're set for it. Okay, yeah. And start.
There you go.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. It's bubbling. Whoa. Look at that. That's nuts. Oh my goodness. I don't know how well you can see this through this camera, but look at that. Look at that. It's just ballooning up. It just keeps going. It doesn't want to stop. What in the world? Oh, and it
I like
smells.
how there's still a square part.
I know.
Blew out the back.
It's still going though. Okay, should we turn it off now? Yeah, okay.
It looks like a marshmallow.
Look at that.
Eat it.
Let's touch it. Does it feel hot?
Probably.
Oh my gosh. It's like paper. Feel it. It literally feels like paper. Oh my goodness. Touch it.
This really shouldn't be that exciting.
Smell your hands
I wonder if it
after.
tastes better now.
Brandon, touch it. Touch it. It feels like paper.
Oh yeah, I like that paper.
Yeah, what about the soap? Look at this though. Literally, guys, the bar of soap is like
Still says
completely,
ivory.
it's completely
Missing.
intact. And the very bottom just kind of ballooned out.
Let's
Oh
put
my
her back
goodness.
in.
Look at that.
Let's put her back in.
Put it back in. Wait, let's take this out and put it back in.
Okay.
This way now. Actually, no, let's put it that way again.
So it grows upwards. Upwards and onwards. Okay, let's continue this. Ryan, you're in the way. You're.
We set it for
50.
2.
It's
Yeah.
fine. Just
Oh.
go. Go out of the way.
Yeah, boys.
Instantly
It's
starts
still
going.
going. Oh my goodness. It just keeps going. Doesn't stop.
Oh.
Don't stop, keep it moving. Wait.
Oh.
Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's like full of air.
It's like a
Then-
bag of chips.
And it's barely warm at all.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's like soap, but
Not soap.
I wonder if it smells so good. Like, you guys can't smell this, but it smells so good.
States the obvious.
Yeah, guys, smell this. Still says ivory, though. It still says ivory.
Okay, for the thing, second thing, we're gonna do an egg here.
Look at this!
It's born on 3. Okay, here we go.
Born 3.
And 2. I'm pretty sure it doesn't take.
Into the microwave. Go!
Let's just go for a minute. Oh boy.
I really hope this is.
Whoa! Look at that!
My idea!
Look at that! It just completely blew up.